So this is the next question. Okay, this is the third part of the video. Okay, where we have completely covered all the first part, second part. So we have entered into the third part. Okay, so let's start the question. They're saying that the 17th term of an AP means the number which is lying on the 17th place. Okay, exceeds means is more than the number which is lying on the 10th place. Okay, how much is more? 7. So the number which is lying on the 17th place is more than the number lying on the 10th place. How much it is more? It's 7. So this one we have to write in equation from left side. So they are saying what they are saying. They are saying 17th term. Okay, we'll write 17th term. Okay, whatever the 17th term. Okay, 17th term. Okay, minus 10th term. Okay, how much after subtracting what you're going to get? Sir, 5, sorry, 7 I'm going to get. Okay, the value of this one minus value of this one. Okay, so now how to write this one? Okay, so we can write a of 17 an minus a of 10 means the value at 17 minus the value of 10 will be 7. So how to write this one? So you should a plus sir 17 minus 1 n value 1 minus d minus a 10 minus 1 d is equal to 7. Okay, it's clear. Yes sir, it's clear. Okay, now you just tell me now. Wait, plus is there no plus? Okay, this one minus is there, that's why you should keep in the bracket. So let's solve this one. A plus here 16d minus a plus here plus 90. Let us solve one by one so that there will be no chance of getting a mistake. So minus a minus 9d is equal to 9. So now minus minus cancel. So now 16 d minus 9d is equal to 9. Okay, now how much it will be? So it will be 7d is equal to, from where I'm getting 9, 7 it is there no 7. Okay, 7. Okay, 7. So d is equal to 1. So they're asking what is the common difference. The common difference is 1. Simple. You understood what I'm trying to say? It's a very simple question. Okay, let's go into the next one. So this is the next question. What do you have to find out? They're saying that determine the AP whose third term is 5 and the seventh term is 9 means indirectly they're saying that the value which is lying on the third place is 5. So they're saying that third term the value is how much? 5, and seventh term value is how much? Value is 9. Okay, sir. After that they are saying what they saying. Okay, so third term value how you will write? Means a of 3 they gave you 5. Here a of 7 is how much? 9. Meaning is that one only. Okay, so it will be a plus 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2 n minus 1 so d is equal to 5, and here also a of a as it is plus 7 minus 1 6, d is equal to 9. Okay, okay, so up to here it's clear. Yes, it's very clear. Okay, so now what is happening? So a plus 2d is equal to 5, whereas a plus 6d is equal to 9. Is this clear up to here? Yes, it's very clear, sir. Now what I have to find out? I have to find out the AP series, means the series I have to find out. For that I would need to have a value as well as d value. Okay, for example, if I'm having a 1 first value, what is the next value? If how to get the next value, sir? A2 is equal to a1 or a plus d na? We know this one. Okay, so for that we need to have a value and d value, then I will get the series. Okay, now I have two values. So a plus 2d is how much? 5, and a plus 6d is equal to 9. So we know many methods, substitution, elimination, cross, many methods are there. You know how to find out the value. Okay, so a will be, so you know, as I understood that you know this value, so main target is not to do substitution, elimination to solve this one. So a value is this one, d value is this much. Okay, a value is this much, so first value is 3, d value be a plus 3, so na a plus d. Okay, so next one as it is, it will go on. So 3 is there, 4 is there, after that 4 plus 1, next how much you will get? That 1 plus 1, so 3, 4 is there, 5, series like that. So just like a1 is 3 na, so a2 will be how much? a1 plus d, a3 will be, sir, a2 plus d. No, same process continues. Understood this one? So this is the next question. See, the AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12. Third term is 12 मतलब क्या हो रहा है? Third, the whatever the value which is lying on the third place is 12. Okay, so total how many are there? Total 50 are there. Okay, and the last term is 106, है ना? Okay, you have to find out the 29 term. Last term means how many numbers are there? So total 50 are number. So last term means the value of the 50 will be how much? So value of the 50 is 106. Okay, and the value of the third value is how much? 12. Okay, with respect to that, let us solve the sum. So okay, so we know that 50th value will be 106. Okay, 50th value they told us already 106. Okay, now they are saying that third term value is 12. Okay, means a of 3 is equal to 12. Okay, so a of 3 means is a plus 3 minus 1 d is equal to 12. You understood what I'm trying to say? Okay, so a plus 2d is equal to 12. So I got, and the 50th value is how much? 106, because the last term value is 106. So how many total terms? 50 terms are there. So a plus 49d is equal to 106. Means if they are saying the third term, so it will be 2d. Why? Because n minus 1 is there. If they are saying 50 term, a plus 49d, because n minus 1 na. So these two values we are having. So we know how to solve these two terms. Many methods are there which we know. So we'll solve and we'll get the value of a and d. After getting a and d, what we have to find out? Sir, we have to find out the 29th term, means n is 29. So we need a plus n minus 1 d, where a is the first term, n is 29, because we have to find out the 29th term. Okay, let us see the answer. So we got the d value and a value is already we have got that one. Okay, 8 here. So we have to find the 29 term. So a we are having, n is 29 minus 1 d. D also we are having. So substitute the value and get the answer as 64. Clear? Yes, it's clear. Next one. So the next question is here. We have to find out. Wait. The sum of fifth term and the eighth term of an AP is 30. Means the fifth term value plus the ninth term value will give you 30. Okay, if the 25th term is 3 times the 8th term, means whatever the lying is the 25th place is means equal to 3 into the number lying on the 8th term. Find the AP, means we have to find out the series. Okay, so with this let us place the values one by one. Okay, so this is clear. A of fifth plus sum of the fifth term and the ninth term is 30. So fifth term I will write like this, plus as it is, ninth term as it is. Now replace the values. So it will be, and 5 minus 1, so 4d plus a, 9 minus 1 8d, है ना, equal to 30. Clear? Yes, it's very clear. So this is our first equation. Okay, so let us solve. So a plus a, 2a plus 12 d is equal to 30. So take the common, a plus 6d is equal to 15. Okay, yes sir, it's the equation. You keep the equation as it is. Now again what they are saying in the question, let us see. The 25th term, if the 25th term is 3 times its 8th term, okay, 25th term is 3 times the 8th term. So from this let us get one more equation. So this is the meaning. Okay, so let us solve this one. 25th, how I will write? So a plus 25 minus 1, so 24 d is equal to 3 into 8 term, means in the bracket a plus 8 minus 1, so 7 d. Okay, now let us solve this one. So a plus 24 d is equal to 3a plus 7 21 d. Okay, now solve this one. So 24 d minus 21 d is equal to 3a minus a. So it will be 3d is equal to 2a. Okay, now we got one more equation already we are having. Okay, so this one we can write like this, 2a minus 3d equal to 0. Okay, so what we are having, 2a minus 3d. So can we get d value from here? Sir, in term of a will get, so leave this one, d is equal to 2a by 3 in term of d. So now can we place this value in this above equation, a plus 6d is equal to 15? Let us see. So here a plus 6d is equal to 15 we are having. So d value we are having. So a as it is, d 6 as it is, d value is 2a by 3 equal to 15. Okay, let us solve further. So a plus 3 and 3 to the 6, so 4a equal to 15. So 5a equal to 15. So a is how much? 3. So we got the a value, we'll get the d value. After that, how to find out the series? We know d value is how much. So here d we are having, so 2 into 3 by 3, 3 cancels, so 2. So a value is 2 and d value is 3. Okay, so let us go and let us see how to get the values. Okay, it's clear? It's clear, sir. So now we have to find out the series. Okay, so we are having a and d is there. Okay, by using that one we'll find out the answer. Okay, okay, so a is how much? 3 and d is equal to 2. So first value will be a is 3 and d is 2. Okay, so first value will be, so a only, so a1. Okay, a1 plus d, second value. Next a2 plus d. Next, like this will go on. So first is 3, next one is 3 plus 2, 5 will get, 5. Next 5 plus 2, 7. Next 7 plus 2, 9, and so on. This is the series. So for this we have to have a and d. So we got the value and we have substituted. Let's go for the next one. There is a next question. You're saying that which term of an AP they have given in the series will be 132 more than its 54th term. Means saying that what is that value and it is lying in which place which will be more than 54. Whatever the value lying in the 54, that value will be more than 54th value. How much it will be more? 132. Okay, so you have to find out a value. Okay, indirectly we are saying the value which is lying in the place, which place it is lying, that value which will be more than 54th term value. Means if 50 in 54, for example, is lying 2 is the value, for example. So I have to find out the place where it is lying a value which will be 134. Means how much is more than this one? So sir, it will be 132 more than the value lying on the 54th place. I have to find out that one. Okay, so with respect to the, let us frame the equation first and then we will solve. So which term they are saying? So I don't know the term. Okay, in which place it's lying, that value. So with respect to the equation, we got a equal to 3 and d equal to the value they gave in d is equal to 15 minus 3. Okay, yes, it's okay. After that, what you have to do? Let us see. Okay, so we got this value. After they're saying that you have to tell me the term, means the place of the term. We don't know where is the place. So for example, that value is lying somewhere, an is the place. Okay, so this is bigger than the term which is lying at the 54th place. Okay, so this is the value, this is the term where a value is lying which is bigger than the value which is lying at 54. How much is bigger? So it is bigger by 132. Okay, it is bigger by 1. In some other places like this they have written just like a of 54 plus 132. Both values are, both the meaning is same, but this actually is the right method. Okay, so the value which is lying, they are asking, tell me the value. Okay, tell me the place where a value is lying which is more than 54th place value, that is 132. So I don't know, so I've written like this. So now when I will solve this one, you know how to solve this one, right? Yes, this one I'm not having any value, n is n only, so it will be as it is. So n as it is, n only, minus, here n is 54, so bracket open, y minus was there, a plus 54 minus 153, you understood, d is equal to 132. Okay, it's clear? Yes sir, it's clear. Now solve a plus n minus 1 d minus a minus 53d is equal to 132. Yes sir, so minus 1 plus 1 cancelled, so it will be how much? What I have to do? So we'll solve what I have to do. So this one, this is n d minus d. Okay, when we'll solve this one, minus 53 d is equal to 132. Yes sir. After that, so this one d is there, so nothing is 1d, so nd minus minus plus, so 54d is equal to 132. Clear? Okay, now d will be common both the clear, so n minus 54 is equal to 132. Hana? So how much possible you solve? I also don't know what I have to do, but you should go on solving. Okay, this much up to here is clear. Yes sir. So as we know, we are having the d value at the starting, I told you, so d is 12, na? So we'll replace the value with the 12. Okay, let us see. So instead of d I will write 12, n minus 54. Okay, 132. So when you solve, n minus 54 is equal to 132 by 12. So n minus 54, how much it will be? It will be 11. Okay, 11 only na? Yes, 11. So n is equal to 11 plus 54. So n is how much here? 65. So the value is lying at the 16th place, which is greater than the value which is lying at the 54 place. How much it is? Guess 132 value. Understood? The value which is lying at the 65 place is greater than the value which is lying at the 54 place. How much it is greater? So you should subtract, that is 132 greater. This is the equation what they're trying to say. Let me read out it again. You'll understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, they're saying that which term of an AP they have given the series will be 132 more. Then is the 54th term, means the value, what is the value, what is that place, not value, what is the place where a value is lying which is more than the value which is lying at 54th term. How much it is more? Sir, 132. Understood? Yes. There you go. This is the next question. They're saying that the 17th term of an AP, okay, the 17th term of an AP is 5 more than twice the 8th term. 17 term means a of 7, the value is 5 more. More means 5 more means plus 5. Then twice, 2 times of the 8 term. Means whatever the value lying in the 17th place is 2 times more plus 5. Right? If the 11th term of an AP is 43, they have given you direct 11th place value is 40. This is direct, but this one is somewhat confusing. You have to make an equation with respect to this one. Okay, so let us see what is the equation. So simply we'll say the 17th term means we'll write like this: a of 17 of an AP is means equal to 5 more than twice the 8th place, twice the 8th place, twice the an means a of 8 plus 5 more. They're saying the value which is lying at the 17th place is 5 more than twice the value at the 8th place. Okay, and this one they have given directly. If the 18th term is 43, 11th term is directly. So 17th, what, how I will write? I told you a plus 16d, n minus 1 na, equal to 2, a 8th term is a plus 7d. We know this one, plus 5 because there, and you'll solve this equation, you'll get the answer. Solve this one, you'll get one more equation. From this one more equation, after that you know what you have to do, and after that we have to find out the series also. See, the answer is also lying there. Okay, it's clear. Okay, let's go for the next one. Here you go. This is the next question. They are saying that how many multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250. Okay, so this is the first value and this is the maybe last value, we don't know, they have not between they are saying. Okay, so if I will see 4 is divisible by 10, no. 4 is divisible by 250, no. Okay, so we saw that multiples of 4 means between 10 and what is the before number we cannot say, we can say the after number. So after 10, 11 is divisible 4, no. 12 is divisible, yes, 12 is, so first number is 12 series. Then after 16, 20 and so on, and the last number is divisible by 250 is divisible, not, we cannot go after 250, we cannot go before 210. So 249 we saw, not possible. 248, yes, it is possible. So it starts from here, end it here. So this is our series. So a equal to this much, and d we can easily find out by subtracting. Okay, they're saying how many means we have to find out n. Okay, so we have an is there, okay, so a is the, d is there, just substitute the value and get the answer. So 60. So how many numbers are there which are lying in the, which are multiples of 4, means all the numbers which are lying in the series are divisible 4. There are total 60 values are there. Clear? Okay, you will not take this values as a and d, an. Why? Because they say 4. If they are not saying any 4, nothing is there, you will start with the a, and an will be 250. But 4 is there. If 6 is there, you will see with the divisible 6, 11 not possible, 12 is possible. Like this you will so on, you will frame your own series, and from that you will get your answer. Clear? It's very clear. Okay, next one.